Another thing, expedited naturalization with no I-75. Oh, another case where a person self-filed. I think I've talked about this maybe already, but so people don't want to hire lawyers. They want to spend the money. Okay, I understand that to a certain extent. Person files for adjustments, not adjustment, but this marriage, green card, consular processing is approved. They're happy, and then the spouse moves overseas, starts working for a U.S. subsidiary of a big company overseas, and I-75 one time comes. They contact me how they're supposed to file that, and I explain what the rules are. But then I said, listen, you could have filed for citizenship a long time ago. They're like, what? It's only been 2 years. I'm like, yeah, but your spouse works overseas for a U.S. entity. That means you can do expedited naturalization, and the physical presence and the continuous presence requirements don't apply. And so I was, oh wow, I can't believe it. Yeah, it's like you did your marriage case, you did it correctly. So yeah, it's like you didn't need to hire a lawyer for that. But there's one piece of information. There's more to the case, and than this created so much havoc just because the person was worried about abandonment. They kept flying in and out and having to place you all this kind of time and money to spend. It's like, yeah, like this, little chat that we had could have saved you so much more, and then the legal fees now you pay for flying overseas, coming back and forth. So again, if you know what you're talking about as an immigration and you know some stuff, there's a lot of value we bring. Sometimes the value maybe in 10 seconds. That 10 seconds could save the person $10,000 in years of their lives. And so this person, like they should have hired an attorney from the beginning. Now, this rule of expedited citizenship, if that comes to me like 6 years ago or something, I may not have known the rule. It's just over time experience, I learned that this exception exists. It's a really neat one that you can do expedited naturalization. But be prepared for this. It's a good one to have in your back pocket. Helps with military spouses and people working for U.S. companies overseas, subsidiaries and stuff. Definitely something to check out.